Here's a popular model at Unique, especially in classics. 1984 Mercedes 380 SL. This particular car does have both tops. We have the blue fabric top, and as you can see in the background, the white hard top. And we're going to show you both of those on the car before this video is over. 3.8 liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds on this one. Power steering, power brakes, AC, although the tech did mention the AC is in op. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Texas vehicle. Take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing this on YouTube. And you can call us, 507-386-1726. Now, there are some things I'm going to point out and mention about this car. We do have a few little nicks up around the front wheel well. Paint does show its age in spots. You can see it's riding on spoked wheels. Blue leather interior. Bucket seats, of course, center console. Aftermarket stereo, and that is working. Now, here's a spot. Both sides of this tonneau cover in the back where the top goes in does show some age, probably some heat, and there is some checking here on the paint also. If I can get that to show up in the camera, there you go. And I do have pictures of it also. A couple little small dings there. It's one of those cars, our techs went through it, it's priced accordingly. Before you took it out, drove it hundreds of miles down the road, you want to give her the once over. We've had it running, driving, frontage road and around our shop and everything. But it is one of those that before you took it too far, give it the once over. Here's a spot with the paint also. It's got some staining on it. Again, those will be in the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Little bubble in the rear here. Got the 380 SL emblem. Take a look down the driver's side. Paint showing its age a little bit here. It's a little older and kind of checking around that wheel well. Want that to show up in the camera. There's a spot on the driver's side similar to the passenger. There'll also be pictures of the underside, engine bay, interior. You can see a little wear with the pipings coming out though with the dark blue leather interior. A little bit of delamination on the center console there. Let's go ahead and start this up so you hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood. And as you can see, it did have the stereo working. A couple other notes the tech stated. Notice the tach was in op, as well as the odometer, so I can't confirm or deny actual miles. Slip around the back so you hear this run. Let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood, give you a shot of the engine bay, check that out. We'll get the soft top up, hard top on, and show you both tops and wrap this up. Here's a look at the underside of the hood and the engine bay. Again, 3.8 liter, power steering, power brakes. Does have AC. Tech didn't know it was in op. It has been converted, retrofitted to the R134A. Give me an idea how it looks and sounds underneath there. Let's go ahead and get this soft top up. Check that out. Keep this video going. And let's take a look at the soft top here. So navy blue fabric. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Also rolled the side glass up here so you can see how it fit with that. I have not noticed rips, tears, or holes. It appears to be the original fabric, and rear window obviously does so show some discoloration, which very easily could be the original rear window in it. How many times are you actually going to have this soft top up? So that's probably why it's in such nice shape, if it is original. It's a nice fit on the side glass, and a get around front above the windshield. All right, so there's the soft top, and one last top to go. We'll have the hard top on there, and we'll wrap this video up. And last but not least, hard top on. Nice tight fit above the windshield, clamps down. Speaking of it clamping down, the little tool that comes with these for undoing, say this, if you can see that through there, that locks it down here and locks it above the windshield. That was not with it. I've not found it in the car. A flat edge, straight edge screwdriver works just as good. It's a nice fit down by the deck lid also. Rear defrost, glass rear window. It appears that it has been repainted along the line. Showing a hardtop, there you go, turn it into a hardtop. 1984 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL, both tops. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This car is priced accordingly. Remember, going to need a little TLC. We have had it running and driving, like I said, frontage road, around the shop and everything before I was going to take it on a long trip. Give it a little once over. 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1984 Mercedes-Benz 380 series. You hear that tractor cutting hay in the ditch there. That's not this car. This car sounds good. A little rumble to the exhaust is all you need. Automatic on the center console in this car. Vinyl bucket seats. Our temperature gauge is reading 80 Celsius. Our gas tank is reading about a quarter of a tank. Oil pressure is up near the 3, which is high on the gauge, and our factory tachometer is inoperative, but the speedometer does work. Radio in the dash is a Kenwood. That works well. Our blower motor and wipers do function. If I let go of the steering wheel on this car, it stays nice and straight in the lane. Brakes are working. This car corners as it should. The kick down is working for the transmission. The odometer reading 94,520 on the dash. Nice little Mercedes. Take a look at all the details and see all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.